Hey guys, how are you doing? My name's Beastone. Welcome to a Photoshop tutorial. This one I'll tell you how to make an outro as good as mine. So let's get started. Make a new layer thingy and do it 1920 by 1080, background color, and call it outro, something like that. Okay, and yep, this is my background. You can make it any color you like. I'm just sticking with dark blue. You could add a gradient, but I'm not. I won't bother. Wait. Window. I haven't even. Window tool. Nope. Tools. Yep, here. Okay. So in it, I've got all of these, and I'm gonna make text box fill on grey stroke. Could have just a colour, do black, and put it on 10 pt, and I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna put it here. This is for your video box. This is your video box. That's it. It's nice, isn't it? Yep, very nice. Very nice. Yep, I'm gonna make a new layer. It's gonna be text. Where is it? Yep. I'm going to call it well, not call it, but write down previous. That's what it's gonna be called. And check. And I'm gonna move it here. Yep, that looks nice, and I'm going to add some effects to it. Blending options, gradient overlay. I'm going to add this gradient and make it 10% because it looks metallic and really nice like that. Add a drop shadow, opacity 100, distance 0, spread 22 and size 22. Okay, that looks nice, isn't it? I'm gonna make bigger text saying thanks for watching, and I'm gonna do it in capitals because your viewers need the support. Well, they are the support, but they need to know that they're doing a good job of watching your videos. 100. So check, and yeah, I'm gonna move it to the top of the screen, and I'm gonna do Control A, layer, align laser selection, horizontal centers. No, not horizontal, vertical centers. I was right. Align laser selection, horizontal centers. Oh no, I need. Oh, what's happening? Wait, Control D, move it up, and then Control A. Then, yep. Oh, sorry for all of that. I'm so bad. Horizontal. Yes, well done. I did it. Then Control D to deselect. And yep, I'm going to. Where's the text? I'm going to copy layer style, then paste it here. Where is it? Paste layer style, file, place, and then I'm gonna add just add your Twitter, Instagram, whatever you have. Yeah, I'm not gonna bother because I don't have much time. Sorry. At the bottom, I'm gonna write, just to finish it off, subscribe. I'm gonna make it the biggest thing on the page. Why not? And yep, I'm gonna paste layer style to make it look nice, and then Control A, then layer, align layer selection, horizontal sensors. So that's the end of this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry for not doing all the social media things here. I hope you aren't mad at me for doing it. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Till then, I'm signing off.